Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to throw a lob pass in college football 27. You need a receiver with some space downfield. As you can see, we have got B open over there, and to throw a lob pass, all you have to do is quickly tap the receiver button. If you want a stronger, more direct throw, you need to hold the button a little longer. That's useful for deep passes, Hail Mary situations, or when you need to get the ball down the field fast. For a lob pass though, it's just a simple tap. The quarterback puts more air under the ball, allowing it to float toward the receiver instead of taking a direct path. The main thing to watch out for is that lob passes stay in the air longer. That gives defenders more time to react. So if the throw isn't accurate, there's always a chance the defender gets there before your receiver. If you add more power, you'll notice the ball comes out with a tighter spiral and reaches the target much quicker. A lob pass is the opposite. It gives your receiver more time to run underneath the ball. No matter which receiver you are targeting, the process is the same. If I want to throw to X, I simply tap the button and the quarterback will lob the pass in that direction. From there, it's all about timing. You want to throw it early enough to let your receiver get into position, but not so early that the defender has time to make a play. For example, if I throw it right here, the pass still reaches the receiver, but only just. That's why good timing is the key to completing lob passes consistently. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.